Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we are walking through the complete process of installing Steam on your Windows 10 PC. If you are looking to get into PC gaming, Steam is the absolute standard, and getting it set up properly is the first step. I will guide you through every click, so you can avoid any potential issues and get straight to playing your favorite games. Before we dive into the steps, if this tutorial helps you get your gaming library running, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow PC guides. Alright, grab your mouse and let us get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser on your Windows 10 desktop. Go ahead and navigate to the official Steam website. Once the page has fully loaded, look for the big green button in the top right corner that clearly says Install Steam. Go ahead and click that button to proceed to the download page. You'll see another option to download Steam, usually highlighted, so click that button to save the steamsetup.exe file to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, it might ask you where you want to save it, or it might just drop it into your downloads folder automatically. Once the download finishes, go ahead and locate that file, usually in your browser download bar or your system downloads folder, and give it a double click to run the installer. At this point, Windows might ask you for permission to make changes to your device. Go ahead and click Yes to allow the setup wizard to open. Now you'll see a welcome window for the Steam setup. Click the Next button, choose your installation language, and then hit Next again. Here, the installer will ask you for a destination folder. For most users, the default selection is perfect, so just click Install and let the progress bar fill up as it moves through the files. This process generally takes less than a minute, depending on your drive speed. Once it finishes, ensure the box to run Steam is checked, and click the Finish button. Steam will then take a brief moment to update itself before launching the main login screen. From here, you can either enter your existing login credentials if you have an account, or create a brand new one if you are joining the Steam community for the first time. Follow the prompts on the screen to finalize your setup, and you are ready to start downloading games. It really is that straightforward. If you run into any trouble during the process, let me know in the comment section below. And again, if this video saved you some time today, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. We will catch you in the next one.